Good morning. It's day 62 of Peter and Doxy going to Queensland here in Kawana in the Marina, which is in Mooloolaba on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland. Beautiful dawning again, as they say in Queensland, beautiful one day, perfect the next. And it was 9 degrees, but yeah, it's going to be a nice day of about 21 degrees. I've got a few jobs to do on the boat today, so get on top of that. I may have time to go and do some sightseeing as well. Yeah, so I'm up here at the Marina office, just had a nice beautiful hot shower, just looking out over the top of the boats. And yeah, what a beautiful outlook. So still. You can hear the doves cooing away there. Yeah, nice little spot actually. Just here in the forecourt. Out walking with my tanks again. But found these guys. Good to have one within walking distance. Oh well, I've bit the bullet and ordered myself a new Uplift fuel pump for Doxy. Been ordered now, should arrive tomorrow from Brisbane, and the guys will come and install it. Alright, so I bought a couple of things. It took a lot to find this fuel line of the right size. Yeah, went to quite a few shops. So anyway, managed to get some. Happens to be from the place that's coming to install my Uplift fuel pump. Hopefully tomorrow. Been ordered. I also got this Shackle. Thank you for somebody pointing that out. Didn't look right to me either. For the boom brake. So I'll be applying that one probably a bit later. I think I'm going to try and get out and about now while it's a beautiful day, and then we can come back and do that later or tomorrow. Anyway, I'm going to get out and about while getting out and about is available. I'm at the Kawana bus station now, waiting for a bus. I think I'll go to Caloundra. Just have a walk around the shore there and stuff, just to get a perspective of what it's like. It's funny when you sail past places and you sort of think, I got no idea what's there. But anyway, we'll find that out today, hopefully. He's trying to tell the other one to go away and he's being totally ignored. Let's just see if I can find the Moffat Head lookout. Well, here we are at Moffat Head. That's looking back to not Caloundra, Mooloolaba. Oh, it looks like an Osprey up there. So yeah, Northerly, definitely no good to me right now. So yeah, that's the beach. Obviously, we came behind on the bus heading over. So we'll walk from here south towards Caloundra. Looking south now to Caloundra Head. Beyond that, you can probably see a ship coming up the shipping channel from Brisbane. And looking out across there, got Moreton Island. You see sand dunes over there even. Swinging around. And more ships. Looks like a car carrier coming in and a container ship heading out. Bit of diesel showing at the funnel, so they must be getting underway now after clearing the channel. Heading south now to Caloundra Point. Back into the bush. Arr, this is where we be smuggling tonight, lads. Ha, that was me a few days ago, motor sailing north. And a little stream meets the sea, eventually. There we go, a bush turkey. So like I said a few days ago, the shipping channel for Brisbane brings the ship right up alongside here in Caloundra before they make a turn and then head down south towards Moreton Island. And here we are at Caloundra Point. Yeah, not much you can really see from here with all the trees growing up in front. catamaran there motoring north. The crowd is moving. You can see the back of that car carrier now through the trees as it makes its turn right in front of Caloundra. Looking south now, that's Moreton Island on the left. Another ship in the channel in the distance. Can't quite tell where it's coming or going. That's our car carrier there, now heading out towards Moreton Island. And to the right of it is Bribie Island as it comes down to its northern point, which I believe is at Pelican waters. Bit of Caloundra there, beach, and in the back you can see the Glasshouse Mountains again, right through there. And obviously, not obviously, War Memorial. It's all the servicemen's names that are on plaques along this path. Bit more of a clear view there. The waterway you can see up through there, which I believe is Pelican waters, would be the northern extreme of Bribie Island. So it's quite funny to think the bottom end of that, you can look across and see Brisbane. So we haven't come that far. Getting closer into the centre now. Pools, natural and otherwise. This is King's Beach, as it says in the middle there. I need a break and a fix. Not a bad view. Hey, King's Beach. Looking south, Moreton Island. And round towards Bribie Island. Right, we're leaving King's Beach. I think this is Happy Valley or something. Lots of sand. You can see the waterway up ahead, up in the distance there. I would say that's the end of Bribie Island. Another ship bound for Brisbane, coming close to Caloundra before it makes a handbrake turn there and heads off towards the south. So that's the sea on that side and Pumicestone Passage on this side. So named because of the pumice that you find here, which is left over from when the Glasshouse Mountains in the background were volcanically active. Thank you, David. Probably more than I banked on, but yeah, salted caramel and Vietnamese coffee gelato. Soak it up. Well, another day comes to a close here on the Sunshine Coast. I must admit I'm a little footsore. Well, not footsore, but yeah. 2 days of intense walking. I think I'll give that a rest tomorrow. But it was a great day and nice to see Caloundra. At least I now have some idea what these places look like. So all good. That part of me has now been satisfied. Excuse me. Spent too much money again, but well spent, I believe. Looking forward to tomorrow when hopefully I'll get my fuel pump, the Uplift pump, delivered and installed and put some of those engine woes behind me. I also did put the twisted shackle on the boom brake. I'll show that tomorrow. It's dark now. Thank you to somebody who pointed that out, because of course when I got Doxy, that's how it was installed, and I thought when I put it back, I thought that doesn't look like it should be like that, and now it isn't. So yeah, happy days. So seeing I only got Doxy in November, it really has been a shakedown cruise so far, and yeah, I guess I'm ticking boxes at the moment and putting things right and learning what else I need to put right. Yeah, just to make cruising a little bit more worry-free, relaxing, which I'm looking forward to. Anyway, that's enough of me for today. If you haven't, don't forget, what do you need to do? Subscribe, of course. And this is Dawn Raider, out.
Thanks for watching another Adventures of Foxy Doxy. As always, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Thank you.